And then as we're struggling every day to get up and motivate ourselves one way or the other to keep going, and what do I see? Lockdown extension. Like, please guys, how are you people coping? Can someone please be nice enough to share their secret and tell me what the heck am I supposed to do with my life? Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is me trying to record my life at this point of this lockdown for future purposes, because I honestly do not know what I'm supposed to be doing with my time. So honestly, 2020 has been a flipping nightmare. Oh my god, we came in with Vision 2020. We came in like this is the year, the money year, we're getting it, you know, new decade, new life, new goals, only to be hit in the face with this corona pandemic going on in the whole world. So lockdown extension is currently trending worldwide. Like, almost all the countries are extending their lockdown for good reasons. I know, but it just doesn't change the fact that it's frustrating to just keep staying and struggling to get out of bed and keep struggling to keep motivated and just keep pushing every day without any hope in sight. Like, guys, how are you coping? How is everyone dealing with the pandemic? How is everyone dealing with the lockdown? How is it around you? What is it that you do to keep you going? What do you do? Because I'm actually, every day I'm having more and more blocks. I don't even feel like getting out of bed most days. I'm really not in the mood to just wake up and take a trip to my fridge, back to my bed, back to Netflix, back to my bed. This is basically what I'm doing. How is the lockdown around you? Because I can see it trending worldwide, like almost everywhere in the world are extending their lockdown. How are you coping? What is it that you do to pass time? How do you keep yourself motivated? What do? Do you just like make trips to the fridge and back to the sofa to continue watching Netflix? What are you exactly doing? I understand that the lockdown extension is very necessary. I'm not downplaying the pandemic that is going on. I actually understand, but that doesn't reduce the frustration that you feel having to be like helpless in this situation. So out of this frustration, I decided to film this video to express myself and actually kind of vent on how I feel on the inside. Maybe it's going to clear my head and allow me to get fresh ideas. I need ideas because I need to know what to do with my life. Like, I'm so bored, guys. Even Netflix is so boring to me right now. I've watched basically everything interesting. I keep checking. I put this movie, I stay a few minutes, I'm tired, I change it, I put another one. Like, it's practically a waste of time and waste of my data because I'm not really enjoying anything at this point. I just enjoy going to the fridge and eating and coming out, eating and coming out, eating. I just move from kitchen to sofa, kitchen to sofa, kitchen to sofa. It's really difficult to keep going. I'm trying my best to, you know, take up a new course, try to keep my brain functioning, try to be busy kind of, and, you know, find ways to help myself, but it is not easy. I need motivation, I need inspiration. So if you have anything that could help, please drop it on the comment section. And that is it for this video. I know that it doesn't even make any sense, but I just wanted to vent, and this is it. If you're feeling frustrated like I am, if you need to vent as well, let's just take this as a therapy session and just say it out, because sometimes when it's all in your head, it feels like, you know, a big bubble and you need to like burst out of it. So right now my head is completely blocked. I'm out of ideas of what to do. You know, motivation is not there to keep going. So I just felt like if I vent out and say exactly how I feel, maybe I will feel better eventually. So if this is how you're feeling, please feel free to type and tell me of your experiences. Tell me how you're coping. Tell me how everything around you is. Is it really as bad as it looks online around you? You know, give information. Where are you watching from? Which country are you in? What is happening where you are? You know, just give me what you do every day to keep you going and your family, you know. And while we are doing that, let's remember to please respect the lockdown, stay home and stay safe. I know it's not easy, but I just have to say it. You know, it's for the best. So stay home, stay safe, and please support my channel so I can keep going. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Thank you for allowing me vent on your time. You know, this is just what I wanted to say, and honestly I feel like I've lifted something out having said this out. I'm now going to think of ideas of what to do while you're on quarantine or while you're on lockdown. I'm going to also take ideas if you drop. So probably tomorrow or next, I'm going to drop a video of ideas of things you can do while you're locked down. So this is it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.